Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Temu unboxing and bagging. So there's a bunch of stuff in here. I only need to get a few things out of here today. But let's see what we have. And I need to open it more than that. Okay, so let's grab something out. All right, let's move the bag away. So this is the Dream Ocean watercolor painting set. And I got this as part of my Auntie Judy's gift. She likes adult coloring, and I thought maybe she would like to try this. And I don't know that I could open it to show you. I don't want to break the seal if it's sealed. Well, I have lots of baggies. I could put one in a different baggie if I need to. Yeah, it was really stuck. Usually these are so easy to open and reseal. So anyway, this came with a teeny tiny little paintbrush. You can see that right here. And this fell off, but this is still hard because it has that, I don't know what that stuff is called, like maybe like a starch or something to keep it together. So I'm just going to pop that back on. And here is the coloring book itself. And what did I pay for this? So this was only $3.16, and I just wanted a little bit of an extra to put in my aunt's gift. So let's see what it looks like. So we have a little shark, and it's light colored so that you won't just get the black lines. And there's just enough paint here to do that. So you just add water and it makes its own paint. It's like a little sampler. So I don't know how good this paint is, but I thought she might like that. And here's some turtles. An octopus. This is really cute. I keep meaning to buy one for myself to test it out. My next Temu order, I'll try to remember to buy one for myself so we can try it on the channel. And I might actually get this one again with the fish because it's super cute. I bought the roses one a few years ago, but I gave it to my aunt and she liked it. It was slightly different than this though. Like fish with a treasure chest. And yeah, each one comes with its own little paint set. So if you had kids, you could easily just pull out pages and give it to them for something to do, you know? So it's very cute. They're all underwater life. Oh, I like that one. That's a fancy goldfish. They're very simple. She told me she wanted simple and cozy. And I also got her a different coloring book. It's downstairs, or I would show it to you. I should have showed it to you with this video, but I just got it at the Dollarama, the other one, as part of her gift. She's got some other things, too, that she's getting. That's really cute. A little pirate ship. Adorable. Yeah, I think she'll like this. There's quite a few pictures. It should keep her busy. Does it say how many pictures are in here? So this was only $3.16. It's called Dream Ocean. And when I got it, I thought I was only getting 6 pictures because they only show 6 pictures. It doesn't say how many there are, how many pages. I don't see that information. It might say it here, but I can't read it. Does it say it at the back? Yeah, it does. 20. So there's 20 illustrations, you guys. That's really nice. I thought there was only 6, but there's 20, which is awesome. Yeah, I think that's super cute. I think she's going to like it. It'll give her something different to do other than coloring. I usually buy her a set of markers, a new set of markers every year, but her grandson started buying her markers after my 4th year of doing it, so I stopped because I don't need to compete with that, you know. He makes way more money than I do. So he can buy the markers and I will get the little coloring books and other things. I got her a little fuzzy cat and some chocolates and some socks and a hat and mittens, just a bunch of little different things. So yeah, I think she'll like it. So that is one thing. So that was, what did I say? $3.30, I think. I don't know. It's saying $0 now. No, $3.16 is what I paid. It's $3.30 today. All right, so that is it. I hope you liked that. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, bye.